Hello everyone, welcome to our next topic. In this topic, we'll see filing PTRC, Professional Tax Registration Certificate. Under that, we will cover PTRC filing, prepare PTRC challan and PTRC payment. So for PTRC filing, first we will go to the website, that is mahagst.gov.in. Then click on download. In download, you have to download form 3B for the filing PTRC return. Drop down, for PTRC return, electronic, click on electronic form. Then search for form 3B. That is the form 3B PTRC e-return template for the period of 1st April 2023 onward, means 2022, 23 to 24. Now, once your file is downloaded, unzip the file. Once file downloaded, you have to extract file. Open form 3B5 form. Now enter your professional tax, means TIN number. Enter TIN number. Select if you are filing for first time, then click on yes. If not, then click on no. Then it is last filing. If it is yes, then yes. It is no, then click on no. You can provide GST and TAN number. It is not compulsory. Name of the employer, enter the name of the employer. Type of return, original return or revise. It is original, so original return. Then which financial year you are doing PTRC return, so 2023, 2024. Now you can select period selection. We are doing for financial whole year, so 2023 to 2024, select that. Now, if you have to enter the PT amount for March to Jan, Feb, number of employees, you have to enter the number of employees. If you have in your company that person is working, it is not exceed than 7,500, means their salary, gross salary is 7,500. Then how much employee is there? You have to enter. Suppose there is a one employee, you have to enter. For Feb month, you have to enter. Also, you have to enter. Again, if there is any female whose salary is not exceed 7,500, if they're female, then how much female is there? You have to enter the employee. If there's any male whose salary is 7,500, not exceeds 10,000, means under the 10,000, you have to enter the number of employees whose salary is under 10,000, means 10,000. Not exceed to the 10,000. If someone has salary is more than 10,000 for male, and for female is more than 25,000, then you have to deduct 200 per month. How much employees is there, you have to enter. If anyone number of employees, if anyone exempted under 27A, you have to enter that employees, number of employees also. Once you have entered, then you can see the total taxable amount. It will calculate automatic. If there is any penalty or interest, late fee, you have to enter that. Once you have done, you have to now you have to prepare a challan for that. Once you prepare the challan, I will show you how to prepare the challan. Once you prepare the challan, you have to enter the challan number, amount, payment date, means you have to do the payment when you have done the payment, challan payment, payment date, name of the bank, branch name, okay, and date of filings will come automatically, mobile number, name of the authorized person, designation, and email. After you have done, you have to click on valid template. Okay, once you're done, you have to save this. You have to save this file. For challan number, you have to prepare a challan. I'll show you how to prepare a challan first. Okay, after that, we will check rest of the things. We will do the filing. So for preparing a challan, you have to visit website mahagst.gov.in. Under that e-payment, then click on e-payment return. Select on TIN number. You have to enter your TIN number, captcha entry, then click on next. Once you click on next, you will see this payment detail box page will be open. After that, you have to select Act. We are doing for PTRC Act, so click on PTRC Act. Once you are enter the PTRC Act, this dialog box will be open. Click on OK, and after that, you have to enter your financial year, amount, location, mobile number, and then click on Proceed for payment. Once you click on Proceed for payment, this page will be open. Under that, you have to agree and then select which payment method we will do for gas or SBI ePay. Whatever payment gateway you want, you can select. Then click on proceed. Once you click on the proceed, you will see this page will be open. That challan will be open. You can get the challan number from the challan page and click on make payment. You can select your payment mode, mobile, enter the mobile number, captcha, agree, and then click on proceed for payment. This dialog box will be open. You have to save GRN number for checking in future for future reference. Then once you click on OK, then this page will be open for select payment option. You have to click on which payment option you are going to be, internet banking or ATM. Pay whatever you want, you can do, and then click on select that and click on submit. After the payment, your challan payment will be done. Once your challan payment done, in filing your form 3B, you have to enter the challan number, what amount you have paid, what date your payment date you have done, name of the bank, branch name. If once you enter the detail of the challan, you can go and file return. For filing return, again you have to visit mahagst.gov.in. Under that, return, you have to click on return. In e-payment, you have to click on return. This page will open your user and password, which I have shown you that the day of the PTRC registration. We have discussed about that you have to enter your user and password, then click on log on. Once you log in, Once you log in, then this page will be open. Under that, you have to click on return. Once you click on return, then return submission other than VAT or GST. You have to click on this. Under that, this page, return statement filing page will be open. And then you have to select your registration number for PTRC Act. We are doing for PTRC, so you have to select PTRC Act. Then registration number will be show form 3B, and then click on next. Once you click on the registration PTRC Act, then you have to select form 3B from drop down menu, then click on next. Once you click on next, that's next page, type of return. Type of return will become type of return. Then under that, you have to return statement. It's or select the from drop down, it original or revised. You have to select, then click on next. Once you click on next, then next page will be open, that is period. You have to select which financial year you are doing filing from the drop down. Once you select, then click on next, then click on yes. Once you click on yes, that you have to upload your file. So you can browse and upload form 3B, which we have prepared. Once you upload the form 3B, then this dialog box will be open. Click on OK. Then click on upload file. Upload file. Then your PTRC filing is. Once you upload the file, you have to click on submit, and that your PTRC filing is done. How you can download PTRC filing once you have upload? So you have to visit home page again. In home page, returns. In return, you have to click view download historic return for VAT or this view download historic return. Once you click the download, you will see the view download historic for other than VAT GST for 1st April to whatever there. You have to click on this and you can select the PTRC, select the period, which period you want to download the file, and you can download PTRC file. Filing PTRC means form 3. So I hope you have understand how to filing PTRC return payment, how to do the payment, how to generate challan. So do you have any question or you want to reach us? You can simply email us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you so much for watching the video.